Good morning, St. Mary's. Happy Independence Day to you all. How are you all at home? Hope you all are fine there. And what to do? Independence Day celebration. We used to have a great celebration in our campus every day, every year. And this year we could not do it because of the problems that we are facing. Today, it is lockdown in Newsville. Also today we are having heavy rain. But still we, myself, your fathers here, some of your teachers together, representing all of you, we hoisted the flag and we had a small celebration of independence. Not as a celebration, but it can be said as an observation. Anyway, once more I wish you all the greetings of the Independence Day. When I say Happy Independence Day, I should put this happy in inverted commas. You know why? The problems that we are facing today, the great problem of COVID-19 epidemic. No, it is really a problem not for us alone but for the whole world. And it is making so much trouble to the humanity. And when we say freedom, today we celebrate the Independence Day. When we say the freedom, now it is a time of lockdown. What about the freedom that we enjoy? The freedom is lost. We cannot go out easily. We cannot remain or we cannot play with others or go out or visit neighbors or some places it's not possible because our freedom is cut. Why? Because it is not because of any human influence, rather because of a virus called COVID. So we have to be careful. We have to understand the situation. So my dear students, when I thought what should talk to you when I speak on this day, the thought came to my mind is 73 years before our country got independence. That day the great celebration was going on, but we could not find the person who was behind independence, who was leading Mahatma Gandhi in the celebration. Rather he was in and around with the people, accepting and approaching them. Sadly, why? Because when we got independence, India was divided. The problem starts there. Now 73 years are over. When we look back, where our country lies, what is the situation of our country? We have to think. My dear students, there are many problems, there are many difficulties, but we should love our country. We should pray for our country. The problems that we face in our country, the corruption, religious fanaticism, right? And today the COVID-19 problem, the gap between the rich and poor, the economic crisis. These all problems are being faced by our country. But still, we have to be together. We have to say that I am an Indian. We may be belongs to different religion. We may be belonging to different caste. We may be belonging to different areas, different places of country. But still we must say that I am an Indian. I am an Indian, and that should be proudly announced each and every moment of my life, our life. My dear student, that is the Independence Day message that I want to you. The problems that we face, as I said, we have to fight for it. And we should make our country progressive. We should love our country as our mother. And let us work together, tie together each other for our country, that our country may strive forward and progress in all the aspects, and everyone will be equally considered and loved. That is what I wanted to say, my dear children. Let us be proud of an Indian. Be an Indian. Be an Indian and love to be an Indian. Thank you so much. God bless you, Father GB.